morning everyone, my name is Ira and
I'm Jason Sarsuela. This video is the presentation of our chosen topic entitled A Review on the Development of Flavr Savr Tomato. Let's get started.
it has the following objectives. Number 1, to understand the development of the first genetically engineered world food specified as Flavr Savr tomato. Number 2, to know the specific process on the creation of Flavr Savr tomato. 3, to uncover the reason behind the failure of Flavr Savr tomato. The success of plant breeding is comparable to the evolution of the human civilization. Plant breeding is characterized as a science and art and technology that is concerned with improving the genes of different crops in relation to mankind use and economic importance. Plant breeding is the genetic acclimation of crop to the cultural, social, technological, and economic prospect of the environment. It is also defined as a crop improvement, and plant breeder is a person altering and developing plant heredity.
The development of the Flavr Savr tomato. For the natural ripening of vegetables and fruits, a gas called ethylene is very important. It is produced by the plant itself. It has the function to gear the vitamin, aroma, and taste productions. The enzyme polygalactorinase or PG enzyme is the reason why the pectin in the tomato cell wall is dissolving and the tomato will get muddy. The use technique is an agrobacterium system. For that, the gene of polygalactorinase enzyme is isolated from the tomato, and with the help of a T plasmid, it is turned into the opposite direction. This is also known as antisense RNA. They use an herbal promoter called T promoter to implant the complementary DNA or cDNA into the genome of the cell. During the ripening process of the Flavr Savr tomato, both genes are translated into messenger RNA or mRNA. In opposite to the original tomato where only the PG gene is translated to mRNA, the implanted antisense PG gene duplicate is also translated and built together with the original mRNA, a double mRNA. These two mRNA fit together that well that the production of the needed protein is nearly blocked. The not existence of the polygalactorinase protein leads to the fact of intact cell walls and nice-looking tomatoes. Let's uncover the failure of Flavr Savr tomato. To sum it up, the Flavr Savr's failure is attributed to Calgene's inexperience in growing and shipping tomatoes. Tomatoes were delicate, did not grow well in Florida, and cost much more than the regular tomato. And finally, Calgene's was sold to Monsanto, an American agrochemical and agricultural biotechnology corporation, after Monsanto filed a patent infringement lawsuit against Calgene. And lastly, the Flavr Savr tomato left the market. That's all for the review on the development of the Flavr Savr tomato. Thank you.